Backwards, backwards, backwards.
Move your...
Another Bukidnon adventure. So hello guys, so ngayon naman mag-visit tayo dito sa Dahilayan Forest Park. So yung kadalang entrance fee is 150 peso kasi kasama yung kadalang pa free shuttle para makapag-ikot-ikot tayo sa kanilang park. Dito yung mga chill lang na adventure, yung mga pa-slide, yung rainbow slide nila, at yung kanilang mga go-kart na manual at iba pa. So meron silang 3 places dito. Yung Dahilayan Adventure Park, doon yung mga pa-extreme adventure, at dito yung mga pa-chill ride, at doon naman yung Alpine Village is wala lang, picture-picture lang, ganon. Pero magugustuhan ng mga kids doon kasi meron sila doon children's park at pwede sila sumakay ng pa-train, at may pa-cafe din kung gusto nyo doon mag-snack. So nag-ikot-ikot muna kami ng very light before kami sumabak sa next na adventure, charot. So ayan, super nagustuhan talaga namin dito day kasi nga yung weather talaga super nakaka-relax ng beauty. At ayan, meron sila ditong pa-cafe at meron pa sila mga pa-vintage car, super sulit kasi pwede kayo mag-photoshoot dyan. Kahit medyo maulan-ulan talaga day, kailangan nating sulitin kasi nga day sayang pa-interest natin na 150 peso day. So ayan, so ito yung next adventure natin, very chill lang talaga siya. So ito yung kanilang pa-manual na go-kart. So yung binayad namin is 70 peso per person. Ito yung pinakamura talaga na pa-adventure nila. So, maganda din siya kasi nga exercise din kasi pa-manual siya. So, 2 rounds lang siya. So, 2 ikot lang talaga. So, carry naman talaga siya, magdahan-dahan lang kayong iba nga humihinto para naman ma-enjoy nyo talaga at pwede kayo mag-picture-picture, mag-take ng video. Kasi super mababait talaga yung mga staff dito. Kaya talagang no worries kayo dyan kung ano pa yung gusto nyo gawin para talaga as in maging memorable yung inyong pa-adventure dito. Kahit pa-chill lang talaga siya, di ba? At isa din talaga sa major factor is hindi siya peak season kaya talaga hindi mataw at talagang pwede kayo dito makapag-aura-aura, talagang sulit na sulit. For now, it's time for another extreme adventure at ito talagang pinaka-highlight nila. So, itatry natin yung kanilang Asia's longest zip line. Dahil may ticket na kami, so ito yung pa-next step. So, si Ate En, maglalagay siya ng pa-harness para sure talagang safe na safe tayo kahit anong mangyari, o diba? At yung sunod naman is, ayan, kumuha kayo ng pa-helmet yan. Pili lang kayo anong gusto nyo. Tapos, mag-wait lang kayo kasi sasakay kayo ng free shuttle. So, meron dyan ang pa-service papunta doon sa area talaga ng pa-zipline. So, same sila ng area ng Razorback. So, yung previous video natin, so yun, same area sila. So, ayan. So, eto na, nakarating na tayo kasi mabilis lang naman talaga. Basta magpa-follow lang tayo sa mga rules. Ayan. So, wag tayong matakot. Kailangan talaga natin to gawin for the vlog. Charot. So, ayun guys. So, masyadong mabilis talaga siya kasi 1 minute lang. So, eto yung pa-dual zipline nila na 840 meters. So, eto talaga yung pinakamahabang zipline sa buong Asia. Kaya dapat talagang matry natin ito day kasi nga day, diba? Ang bilis ng panahon day. Hindi na natin may babalik ang ating mga edad. So, pag matanda na tayo, hindi na talaga natin caring mag-adventure, kaya subukan nyo na. Pero honestly, talaga nakakakaba talaga.
Wala kayo nahulog rin.
Hold the gate, sir. Wag na let's use.
Okay.
Kami ng contest. Kaya mo?
I'm heavy, oh yeah. Yeah, it's good, it's good.
It's backwards, backwards, backwards.
Move your butt backwards, sir.
Oh, backwards. Ma'am, one more, one more. Good.
Where are you? Okay, ma'am, sir.
Opening the gate made
Instructions.
it
Don't move your feet. Just keep it straight and steady. When you're out in the gate, just spread your arms sideways to minimize your speed. When you're near in the landing, just put it in the side, head down. You have long shot picture after hanging bridge. Look at the landing area.
You ready?
Clear na landing. Tower, take up. Anong to?
Yun.
How was it?
Super nag-enjoy talaga kami kahit nga hindi kami magkasabay kasi nga we survived the Asia's first longest dual zip line. O, diba? Good morning, Bukidnon! It's our day 3. This is a good morning, doggy!
And we have a
So-
dog here.
Let's go. Let's have some breakfast. Let's have some breakfast.
Look at him playing.
For today's activity, pupunta kami sa Communal Ranch at Lovers Lane kasi yung Roti Peak is hindi sila open basta weekdays. Kasi weekdays ngayon. Today is, what is the day
Friday.
today? Friday, January 24. January 24. So, close yung Roti Peaks. Open sila for day tour, weekend lang. So, maybe tomorrow, let's see if makaka-visit kami tomorrow sa Roti Peak. So, ngayon, let's have some breakfast. Look at that. It's so clear. Clear. Mhm. Good morning.
Good morning.
So we're staying here at Saddle Ridge. So this is the lobby and the restaurant.
Good morning.
Hello.
Oh, thank you.
So, ito yung kanilang pa-all-day dining restaurant. So, pwede kayo dito mag-breakfast, lunch, at dinner. So, nag-iisang restaurant ito. Pero yung katabi nito is meron silang pa-cafe. Kaya doon kami kumain nung dumating kami una. So, ayan. Hindi ko alam kung sino yan. Pero siguro owner yan. So, nag-breakfast lang kami at nag-checkout na din kasi another biyahe na naman. So, ayan. Nakarating na tayo dito sa Impasugong. So, ito yung kanilang tourism office. So, akala talaga namin is magbabayad pa kami ng entrance dito. Kasi nga yung next adventure natin is sightseeing. So, pupunta tayo sa famous nilang Communal Ranch. Pero sa next video pa yan, kaya that's all for today's Dahilayan Adventure. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and see you again on our next Bukidnon adventure. Bye-bye!